Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually so excited to be bringing you another cleaning video. I know it has been a while, so look at this mess. I am going to tidy it all up. We're actually doing something a little bit different in this video today, and I hope that some of you catch on to it and like to join me. And if you do, make sure you tag me in your videos because I'd love to watch them. I just want to tidy up upstairs and I don't have a whole lot of time. As you can see, it's pretty disgusting. Lots of hair, lots of clutter. So I'm officially setting my timer and we are doing a power half hour. So let's get going. I'm just kind of tidying up all the clothes that are on the floor and then I'm going to make the bed. I don't normally make the bed every single day, but I thought for the video that I should definitely do it so that it didn't look so messy after. If you make your bed every day, comment in the box below and let me know because I need motivation to get mine made every morning.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
So next I'm just tackling this closet. I really don't know why every single video I'm constantly tidying it up. I think it's just somewhere we can kind of throw everything that we don't want to look at anymore. So I'm just going to kind of make it look aesthetically pleasing and clear up some more space, move things around, whatnot.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling.
Immediately after hanging up those clothes, they fell off the hanger, so I'm just rehanging them now with the tags so that they don't fall off anymore. So I have two laundry baskets. The gray one recently broke and I just got a new one, but I thought instead of completely getting rid of it, I would use it as his and hers. So all I'm doing now is just dividing Wyatt and Justin's clothes into one pile and then mine into another. So we're about halfway through this power half hour and I'm just getting together some of Wyatt's books. He has a ton and he still eats them when he plays with them, so I thought for now I would put them up here somewhere. They've been collecting on his nightstand table, so I thought why not move them over to this cube shelf. Just kind of gives them more organization.
I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost with.
And then originally I was going to go through the basket that's sitting there. I immediately changed my mind after, only because I still have to divide it up to give half of it to my girlfriend and keep half of it for myself. And yeah, obviously Wyatt has a ton of clothes, so maybe it's almost time to go through them again. I'm just kind of tidying up his sweaters and hanging up his new outfit. He recently got a Baby Shark onesie for a birthday party, but of course with the coronavirus going around, it was canceled, but he still loves Baby Shark, so it'll get good wear. And then we did pick up this super cute little Easter onesie. I can't wait to see him in it this year. What are your Easter plans now that we're kind of on self-isolation? So I'm just going to go around and get all the dust bunnies that you saw earlier. I'm not mopping today, I'm just doing a quick vacuum. Let me know what other type of videos you'd like to see on my channel during this quarantine time.
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. This actually only took me about 25 minutes, and I'm really impressed with how it turned out. Don't forget to tag me in your videos if you guys try out this Power Half Hour. Have a good day.